Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make paper mood watch because Ashish Lumba told me to make a watch. So I thought making a plain watch wouldn't look so nice. So today we are going to make a mood watch in which you can express your moods without speaking. So let's start. So the things you require are eraser for drawing and pencil, scissors, color paper of your choice, some colors like sketch pen you can take or crayons like this, and glue. So let's start without wasting our time. And guys, you can take the help of scale if you want. So first we need to take our pencil and draw a little bit of line like how I am till here, like almost it should be like 1 centimeter line like that. You can check over here, like I took 1.3 centimeter length. It is good for us. So guys, now you need to fold this piece of paper. Like you need to see the line and fold it. You need to first flip the paper and then you need to fold it like this. And now it's folded. So now we need to cut it. Like I'm cutting. Now you can do the paper aside. And now this is our piece of paper like this. This will be our like wrist. You can like either take the length of your wrist, the wrist you have. Like this you can take the length. And now guys, you need to take the paper and open it and then stick glue in it. Like how I am doing. And then stick it, and then on your paper, the paper you are using, you can use different color papers. I'm using one only. So take your color paper and then take this and find the length. Okay, this is the length, so it should be little bit thick on this one. So you can draw whatever shape you want, but I'll draw a rectangle. You can take the help of scale if you are drawing like any rectangle or square. You can. So I took this much length and now we need to cut it off. And now guys, you need to like cut it from the sides, like it should be like a curvy side. It should not be so sharp at the end, like pointy surface, like how we have now. Cut all the four sides, okay, not only one or two sides. So guys, as you can see, this is done. So over here now we need the any marker you can take. So I'm taking pink, and now you need to just outline this so that it looks good. And now we need to like draw two lines at the sides with the help of scale because we need to cut it a little for the moods, and make sure it's of the same length. And now guys, we need to cut this line, so you need to like fold it in the rectangular shape, and then with the help of scissors you need to cut it like I am doing it now, and make sure you cut it to the equal. One side done, and second side. Yes. And guys, now when this is done, so now we need to take out this paper and then we need to like send it in the hole, and make sure the length of the hole is of the paper like this. So guys, I've like kept it now. It's like this, like a watch now. And now I need to draw the emojis. So you can take any a choice of your emojis. Like I will take like smiley face. So I'm going to draw like a crying face. So first we need to draw the crying face, and now blue color we need, and now we can draw it to the side. So I drew like sad emoji, happy emoji, and then star eyes, then heart eyes, and then like a doggy like very happy, and then normal smiling, as you can see. And now guys, grab your pencil, and then you need to like draw a very small line for the like, so that we don't need so much of glue over here like this. And now you need to cut it off. So I've cut it off, and now you need to take your watch, and then like fold it like this. Beautiful. You can draw as much as emojis you want to draw. It's all your choice. You need to fold it first like this, and then you need to like first check your wrist, that is it fitting your wrist or not first, because the watch is your wrist. So you need to check, and then this is the fit of my wrist. So I'm gonna keep it like over here, and then you need to fold it like this. And if the length is being like shorter, then you can like cut more, or if the length is becoming bigger, you can cut from the strip. So it's ready like this. And now okay, let's get it. So you need to like simple like take like a strip of paper, do it like this, and then do it like this. Done. Your watch is ready. This one. And then guys, when it is your ready, then you need to just like simply just keep it inside the watch, and then on the bottom part where no emojis or mood is drawn, over there you need to keep glue. And then you need to stick love how I read. And now let's test it on. So this is our one. So here, and then now we are going to fold it like, and then it's done. You can either like it on the downside or front side, like this. It's ready, and now you can use it like this. Just change the position. I'm in a happy mode, I'm in a sad mode, like that. You can choose. So thanks for watching my video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay tuned. Bye bye. And guys, all of the videos that you told me to make are like coming one by one, and I'm making all of them. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay tuned. And for more craft videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.